Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a project in Todoist in 2026. If you want to organize your tasks for work, school, or personal goals, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open the Todoist app on your phone or computer, or visit the Todoist website and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see your existing projects and task lists. Next, look for the Add Project button in the sidebar and click it. On mobile, tap the plus icon or the Add Project option, depending on your device. Now enter a name for your project. Choose a clear and descriptive title so it's easy to recognize later. You can also select a color to help organize your projects visually. Next, if your version of Todoist supports it, add a project description or choose whether the project should be shared with other people. Then click Add or Create to finish setting up the project. Once your project is ready, click Add Task to create your first task. Enter a task name, set a due date if needed, choose a priority level, and save it. As your project grows, you can organize tasks into sections, add labels, assign tasks to collaborators, and create recurring reminders to stay on track. Finally, review your project regularly and update your tasks as you complete them to keep everything organized and easy to manage. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a project in Todoist step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.